Hi there, thanks for stopping by to the 8181 IT channel. My name is Savio, and today's unboxing is going to be the 1 terabyte Crucial 2.5-inch solid state drive. This is what I have here. It's the MX500 and it's from Crucial, 1000 gigabytes. And let's start with the unboxing. As far as the package reads, it comes with an installation guide. It also has a data transfer software and it has optimized firmware. So let's get with the unboxing of this beautiful looking solid state drive from Crucial. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It comes in this nice packaged encasing or enclosure, as you want to call it. It's from Crucial, so it says, and yeah, that's what it is. The reason why I brought Crucial is because I've used Crucial drives in the past, solid state drives, and they are fantastic. They haven't failed on me, and that's one of the reasons why it's tried and tested. So I like a product that's been tested by myself. I like reviews, I read reviews, but it is a different ball game testing it yourself and building trust with that product. So that's the reason why Crucial is my first choice for solid state drives. And I can't really stand for hard drives because I've had hard drives in the past fail, but they weren't from Crucial. But as you know, it's a mechanical device, so it's bound to fail. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it and look at that. That is absolutely fantastic. Just the presentation and the way it's been packaged is simplistic, but hey, look at that. It's awesome. You just know the product is going to be amazing just by the packaging, just like Apple, right? Apple takes a lot of effort with the packaging, and it's something that goes a long way actually. So it comes with a like it's on the box. Like the box says, it comes with an installation manual or instruction manual, and of course that's the drive. It is extremely I can't imagine how light it is. I can't stress how light it is. It's absolutely light. It feels like it's plastic. Like this little piece of plastic I was holding, it's literally light. Okay, so I'm someone who doesn't read any of this stuff, but it's a very good thing Crucial has included that. They've also included this. Maybe it's going to come to use or maybe not. It's just like a mount if you need it. But I'm going to keep this, and what I'm going to do is this solid state drive is not going to go into an internal panel or component. It's not going to be a part of an internal component. I'm going to use it as an enclosure. So it's going to go into an SSD, built for an SSD enclosure, which is a 2.5-inch SSD enclosure, and that's from Sabrent. And I'm also going to do the unboxing of that for this device, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's this beautiful, I don't know, it's memory, but it is fantastic. Look at the sheen on this. Look at that. That's so cool. It's just amazing. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this unboxing. It's available on Amazon. You can get it for, prices of course vary. So look it up on Amazon. I'm not gonna give a price for this product. Look it up on Amazon and you'll know how much it costs, because I know for a fact, the pricing changes nearly every week. Okay, so depending on when you watch this video, the pricing could go up or go down, or if it's a Black Friday sale, it could go lower further. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want to keep it any longer. This is the Crucial 1 terabyte, 1000 gigabyte, you want to call it, if you feel better saying 1000 gigs, solid state drive, 2.5-inch, and it's one of the best investments, for the long run, because these are not going to crash or like a mechanical hard disk drive. So in case you want to upgrade your computer and want to make it faster, this is the device I would suggest, a solid state drive. And Crucial is just a brand, but it's a good brand. I vouch for it because I've used it for about 3 years as a solid state drive in a Mac Mini that I've got, and it's amazing. It's just so fast, it's never failed on me, and it's a beautiful gadget. If you want to check out some beautiful gadgets like this, subscribe. You know, it's worth subscribing to this channel. Alright then, until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.